In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom Meeting without sign-in. Now, this is particularly useful if you need to join a meeting quickly and don't want to go through the hassle of logging into your account. Whether you're on the go or just want to simplify the process, this method will get you connected in no time. First things first, before you can join a Zoom meeting without signing in, you'll need two crucial pieces of information: the meeting ID and, if required, the meeting password. These are typically provided by the meeting host, so make sure you have them handy. Once you're equipped with that, open your web browser and navigate to the Zoom website, which is app.zoom.us/wc. This is the portal where you'll join your meeting. Now, when you arrive at the Zoom webpage, you'll notice options to sign in. However, instead of clicking on the sign in button, you'll go directly to Join Meeting. This is a straightforward step, but it's an important start to bypass the sign in process. Essentially, you're telling Zoom you're here to jump right into a meeting rather than access your account. Upon selecting Join Meeting, you'll be prompted to enter the meeting ID. This is where the information from your host comes into play. Enter the meeting ID into the designated field. It's a good idea to double check those numbers to avoid any errors, as entering an incorrect ID will lead to a mismatch and you won't be able to join the meeting. After you've entered the meeting ID, look for the Join button, and this is your gateway into the meeting. Simply click on it and you're one step closer to joining your session. At this point, if the meeting requires a password, Zoom will prompt you to enter it. Again, this detail should have been provided to you by the host, so simply input it as instructed. Keep in mind that joining a Zoom meeting with this method means you're entering as a guest, so you might have limited functionalities compared to signing in with an account. However, this is a small trade-off for the convenience and speed this method offers. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can join a Zoom meeting without ever needing to sign into an account. It's perfect for those quick, impromptu calls or when you'd rather not go through the login process. Hopefully, this guide makes your Zoom experience smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy Zooming.